We are pleased to show you the 2017 Terrain. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, ambient lighting, power brakes. Inside you'll find electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, electronic messaging assistance with read function, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, multifunction display, child safety locks, power windows, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.